Dear class 9th students, I am going to teach you the chapter earthquake. Earthquake बेटा हिंदी में इसको भूकंप बोला जाता है, पृथ्वी का कांपना. The shaking of the earth is called earthquake. Now at a glance you can see, first of all we have the meaning, then what are the causes of earthquake, then measurement and other concepts, effects, constructive effects also it has and destructive effects also it has, like volcano. First of all we come to meaning. Earthquake is the tremors and vibration in the crust of the earth produced by internal forces. There are certain internal forces which cause earthquake. This is very common phenomena. You might have seen when the earthquake come on the earth crust. During that time the area near to the epicenter starts shaking. Now causes: faulting, volcanic eruption, landslides, isostatic disturbances, man-made disturbances are also responsible for earthquake. Measurement: under measurement we have seismology, seismography, seismometer, seismic focus, epicenter, hot spots. Effects: constructive effects and destructive effects. First of all we discuss about the causes of earthquake. In a very systematic manner the chapter is given at a glance. If you study this chapter at a glance you can understand the chapter very well. Number one, we have faulting. Faulting is the process when the two plates collide with each other. During that time there are certain rocks which start faulting. Faulting means, you can understand by example, there are two processes, folding and faulting. एक मान लीजिए गीली लकड़ी लें आप, अगर उसको आप नवाएं तो वो झुक जाएगी या नब जाएगी, और वहीं पर एक सूखी लकड़ी लें और उसको नवाएं तो वो टूट जाएगी. तो टूटना जो है इज कॉल्ड फॉल्टिंग एंड मुड़ना जो है इज कॉल्ड फोल्डिंग. नंबर टू, वी हैव वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन. ड्यूरिंग द वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन the earthquake appear on the earth crust. All volcanic eruptions are accompanied by earthquakes, but these earthquakes are not widespread. These earthquakes are limited to the volcanic area, so they are said to be volcanic origin. These volcanic eruptions are not regarded as tectonic movements. Tectonic plates. Tectonic plates, these continents are regarded as the tectonic plates. Example, we have Karakota volcanic eruption. Landslide on the mountains, you might have seen large amount of landslides takes place. लैंडस्लाइड से क्या होता है बच्चों, जब लैंडस्लाइड होती हैं तो पहाड़ से ए लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ mud is displaced. During the rainy time you might have seen in Uttarakhand and Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, landslides are very common. Big landslides and avalanches, a mass of snow, ice and rock that slides rapidly downside of the mountain, that is called landslide. During the landslide also the earthquake appear. Isostatic disturbances, earthquakes caused as a result of restoration of crustal balance are said to be isostatic origin. These earthquakes are also caused when there is an adjustment between the Sima and shear layer in the inner portion of the earth crust. Whenever there is any movement in the earth crust, during that time the earthquakes come. Since the asthenosphere below is in semi-molten state, the disturbance in the equilibrium between ocean and continents also produce movements causing earthquake. Example, earthquake in the Hindu Kush region, Pakistan in March 1949 was the isostatic origin. Man-made causes, accumulation of large amount of water behind large dams is considered as one of the probable causes of the disturbance in the crustal balance. The dams which are constructed over the rivers are also considered the causes for the earthquake. Chemical waste dumped into the ground underground, explosions in the US have caused several earthquakes in Colorado in 1960. Whenever the nuclear tests are carried out, during that time also earthquakes are caused over the earth surface. Now we come to the second point, measurement of the other concepts. Seismic focus. Seismic focus is the point in the interior of the earth from where the earthquake tremor originates. फोकस वो चीज़ है जहाँ से अर्थक्वेक ऑरिजिनेट करता है, जहाँ से जन्म लेता है. दैट इज नोन एज द सीस्मिक फोकस. एपिसेंटर, द पॉइंट ऑन द सरफेस वर्टिकली अबव द फोकस इज कॉल्ड द एपिसेंटर. एपिसेंटर के पास सबसे ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है. हॉट स्पॉट, द एरिया ऑफ हाई ट्रेमर टेम्परेचर इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ आर कॉल्ड हॉट स्पॉट्स. सीस्मोग्राफ इज द self-recording instrument by which the intensity of the earthquake is measured. Seismology, the science of study of earthquake, is called seismology. Scale, in this regard we have two scale. One is Richter scale and another is Fahrenheit. Another is one is Richter scale, another scale I will tell you later. The earthquake are commonly measured on the Richter scale. It measures the power of earthquake on the scale 1 to 9. Now effects of the earthquake are constructive effect. Earthquake help the earth to release its stored up energy, which keep the earth in good shape. It may create new coastal plains by the emergence of portion of the ocean floor. So the plains are helpful for doing the agriculture. Tsunamis are giant sea waves caused by earthquake beneath the sea. These waves play an important role in shaping the climate of coastal areas. Sometimes the coastal areas are lifted up and give birth to the plains. It may cause fissure. Fissure is the opening, resulting in the formation of sulfur or hot springs, which are of great use to men. Here I want to explain you the patients which suffer from leprosy, if they take bath in these hot springs and geysers, because this water is mixed with sulfur, so it is helpful to cure the leprosy. It helps us to learn about the interior of the earth from the study of the earthquake waves. We come to know what is inside the earth. With the help of volcanic eruption and earthquakes, we come to know what is inside the earth. Destructive effects. Due to earthquake, the ground rises and falls like a wave, which cause cracks and fissures in the soil layer. The bedrocks below the soil layer open and close repeatedly. Thus, the original components of the rock portion is loosened. Change in the crust structure may lead to the number of indirect effects and landslides, bursting of dams, blocking of course of rivers, and subsequent flooding. The forces of uplift subsidence also cause submergence of coastal parts. Dwarka in Gujarat, India, which now lies submerged under the sea. Means of transport are interrupted due to damage of roads and twisting of railway lines. Railway lines are twisted and sometimes when we have the oil pipelines, they are also twisted, and when they are twisted, the oil starts coming out and it causes the fire. So this is the destructive effect. Theory of plate tectonics. This theory of plate tectonics आपको मैं simple words में बताऊं. These continents are regarded as the plate tectonics. जैसे example you can take the Eurasian plate, that is the Asia plate. Indo-Australian plate includes India and Australia. Himalayas are the result of the collision of Eurasian plate with Indo-Australian plate. जब ये प्लेट आपस में टकराती हैं तो आप देखिए ये माउंटेन्स को जन्म देती हैं. मैं आपके सामने ये देखिए, मान लीजिए एक प्लेट ये है और दूसरी प्लेट ये है. ये दोनों प्लेट जब टकराती हैं तो आप देखिए बीच से किताब उठ जाती है. तो इस तरीके से द माउंटेन्स आर फॉर्म्ड. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स. एंड लास्ट इज अर्थक्वेक जोन्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. नंबर 1 वी हैव circum-Pacific belt. Number 2 we have mid-world mountain belt, and number 3 we have mid-continental belt, and number 4 we have interplate seismicity. This zone of earthquake in East Africa, the western United States and peninsular India. Mid-continent belt, continents के बीच वाली, यहाँ पे भी बहुत अर्थक्वेक आते हैं. मिड वर्ल्ड माउंटेन बेल्ट जहाँ हिमालयन रीजन है, यहाँ पे भी बहुत अर्थक्वेक आते हैं. और सर्कम पैसिफिक रिंग ऑफ फायर, सर्कम पैसिफिक बेल्ट, इट इज़ नोन एज रिंग ऑफ फायर, जहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा एक्टिव वॉल्केनो पाए जाते हैं. एक्टिव वॉल्केनोज के साथ ही ये अर्थक्वेक भी पाए जाते हैं. तो ये कहा जाता है कि अर्थक्वेक एंड वॉल्केनोज आर फाउंड इन द सेम रीजन बिकॉज दे आर फाउंड वेयर द अर्थ क्रस्ट इज वीक और नियर टू द बाउंड्रीज ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट्स. जहाँ जो टेक्टोनिक प्लेट की जो बाउंड्री होती हैं वहाँ पे भी ये पाए जाते हैं. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू माय डियर, काइंडली गो थ्रू द चैप्टर एट ए ग्लांस, एंड इफ़ यू फाइंड एनी डिफ़िकल्टी you can ask me. You are most welcome, and prepare the chapter for the in the next period I will give you this video, and after that I will give you the question answer based on this lesson. This video or this chapter at a glance you can do in your copy, theory copy. This is prepared in a very systematic manner. Kindly go through well, and that whole chapter is cleared. Or by the side you can learn your book also. You can read the chapter from the book also.